In this video, I'm going to go over your 7.1 notes. We are talking about circles in this unit, and today we're just going to kind of talk about the structure and some vocabulary. So our first term, a radius, plural of radius is radii, is a segment with endpoints at the center of the circle and at the edge. So we've got a radius here, here, and here. It starts at the center and goes to the edge. A chord is a segment with endpoints on the circle. So a chord has endpoints here and here. This is also a chord, but it is a special type of chord. That chord is called a diameter. So a diameter is a chord that passes through the center. So this is certainly not new information for you, but the diameter joins two endpoints and goes through the center. So let's take a look at this circle here. We're going to name the center of the circle. So the center of this circle is the point O. A chord that is also a diameter, so it has to go through the center. So that's going to be A, B, and we're going to use our segment symbol. And then is segment PQ a radius? No, it is not. It must go through the center. And then if segment AB is 24 inches, OC is going to be half of that. Okay, so now it's your turn to try this bottom part. All right, so for this one, the center is O again. Name a radius, so you just have to have one of these, is anything that goes from the center to the edge. So OA, OR, OS, OB, all of those are good. There are two correct chords. Again, you just need one. So DE or AB is a chord. And lastly, if SO is 25, then AB is going to be double that, or 50. Our next term is circumference. Circumference is the distance around the circle. It's the perimeter of the circle. There are two ways to calculate circumference. Either pi times the diameter or 2 pi times the radius. So if we're going to find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 8 centimeters, the circumference is going to be 8 pi, since diameter is 8, which gives us 25.1, and that would be centimeters. So you go ahead and try that one. For this one, it's 2 pi times the radius. So the radius is 2, so we get 12.6. For number 3, find the diameter of the circle with a circumference of 18. So circumference is pi d. So we have 18 equals pi d. So we're going to divide 18 by pi to get the diameter, which is going to be 5.7. Okay, so you can try this next one. All right, for this one, circumference is 2 pi times the radius. So 124 equals 2. I replaced pi with 3.14 r, which makes it 124 equals 6.28 r if I multiply that by 2. Again, we'll divide, and we get a radius of 19.7. Okay, so our next vocabulary term. A polygon is inscribed in a circle if all of its vertices lie on the circle. So in these pictures, this triangle, this rectangle, this pentagon are inscribed because all of their vertices are on the edge. Okay, and lastly, a circle is circumscribed around the polygon in that same condition. So the shape inside is inscribed, the circle on the outside is circumscribed. So that is your introduction to circles.